Wait, before you spend a single dollar on a turntable, watch this. I tested 20 budget players so you don't have to. Most fail. Some destroy vinyl. But 5? They shock me. Number 3 will make you return your current player. All product links for your buy are in video description. Like, share, and subscribe before the countdown ends. Starting at number 1. Fluance RT85 Reference Turntable. Canadian brand Fluance has a strong reputation for quality. Starting in 1999, the brand branched into turntables in 2016, quickly becoming a favorite of vinyl fans worldwide. This RT85 reference turntable earns its place here thanks to a sharp blend of audiophile features, super solid build and a factory-fitted Audiphile 2M blue cartridge, which retails for close to £150 on its own. All of that means that this deck draws out musical detail right from the start. The solid MDF walnut-finished plinth, also available in bamboo, piano white and piano black, is paired with a solid acrylic platter, contributing to the hefty 7.6 kilogram weight, dampening resonance and keeping playback smooth. That all makes for exceptional clarity and well-controlled bass. Another fully manual deck in our lineup, the RT85 caters to vinyl fans who enjoy hands-on control, offering adjustable anti-skate and counterweight for precise setup. There is, though, a handy auto-stop feature. There's no built-in phono preamp though, so you'll need to buy an external one or hook it up to an amp that has an integrated phono stage. Swapping between 33 and 1/3 and 45 revolutions per minute is easy thanks to the belt-driven setup, and a 45 revolutions per minute adapter is included for singles. Controls are refreshingly simple, just power, speed, and the Q lever. The vibration isolation feet and low-noise motor help ensure quiet, stable operation, too. We love this deck's sleek, modern styling. If you're looking to spend that little bit more on a budget turntable while skipping more entry-level offerings, the Fluance RT85 has enough control, room for upgrades and a dash of audiophile level finesse that's hard to beat. Number 2. Fluance RT82 Reference Turntable. Popular among vinyl enthusiasts for its excellent, warm sound and solid engineering, the RT82 stands out in the mid-budget field. It's a semi-automatic belt drive model with vibration-isolating feet, so you have the best of all worlds when it comes to ease of use, a bit of manual control and vibration isolation for cleaner sound. Key to this performance is the high-mass MDF plinth, contributing to the substantial 5.5 kilogram weight and effectively reducing vibration. The isolated belt drive motor further minimizes unwanted resonance, while the precision-engineered platter and S-shaped tone arm deliver exceptionally clear playback. So yes, you can be sure that this is both built to perform and to last. It's readily upgradable too, with head shell and platter among the components that can be easily modified. A significant highlight for us is the Audiphile OM10 cartridge, widely regarded for its impressive detail and clarity over standard entry-level options. However, the RT82 doesn't have a built-in phono preamp, so you'll need an external phono stage or an amplifier with one included. It also doesn't support 78 revolutions per minute records. Still, with quality materials and a solid build, in a choice of 4 colors, this deck delivers exceptional sound with good manual controls, including anti-skating adjustment. Number 3. Audio-Technica LP60XBTBK. Audio-Technica make it back into our list, and for good reason. The LP60BX stands out as a strong entry-level turntable, delivering essential features at an accessible price. Sharing the core strengths of the larger LP120 model, the LP60BX streamlines the experience with full automation, so there's no need to manually adjust the tone arm or settings. That makes it ideal for newcomers on a budget. The lack of manual control, such as adjustable anti-skate or a counterweight, may not suit those with the urge to tinker, but this model is factory set to perform without those features. While it doesn't offer 78 revolutions per minute playback, no surprise at this price point, 33 and 1/3 and 45 revolutions per minute are accompanied by a 45 revolutions per minute adapter for records with larger center holes, giving your collection of X-jukebox platters a new lease of life. The belt-driven die-cast aluminium platter helps minimize resonance and provide stable playback, and the switchable phono preamp means the deck can easily connect to a variety of amplifiers or speakers. This model keeps controls straightforward. Start, stop, and speed selection buttons are really all you need. We really appreciate the extra convenience of the tone arm cueing button that allows users to lift or lower the needle gently at the touch of a button for track selection. Number 4. JBL Spinner Bluetooth AptX-HD Record Player. JBL makes a bold entrance into the world of wireless vinyl with the Spinner Bluetooth AptX-HD Record Player. The audio company's second ever deck, we love to see an energetic long-standing brand like JBL mix retro appeal with modern connectivity. In typical JBL style, the Spinner flaunts its color options in a way that most others don't. The splash of orange on this version, plus the chunky plinth and smoke dust cover with rounded corners, makes quite a statement. But the Spinner BT isn't just about looks, it has the quality and flexibility to deliver both analog vinyl and wireless streaming in one package. So let's talk about why this deck's Bluetooth is leagues ahead of the competition. It has the relatively up-to-date Bluetooth 5.2 for better quality and range, but it also supports AptX-HD, letting you stream records in higher quality, 24-bit, rather than the standard 16, to compatible JBL speakers, headphones, or other Bluetooth gear. Number 5. Pioneer DJ PLX500K Direct Drive DJ Turntable. If your itch for a deck with DJ looks hasn't been scratched by the Audio-Technica at LP140, this model from Pioneer has a couple of tricks up its sleeve that make it the better choice for budding DJs. The most obvious one is that this Pioneer comes with USB output, which means that DJs can digitize their vinyl for use with digital mixers, and software like Rekordbox that allows the use of special control vinyl records with the Pioneer deck. These inaudible records allow you to use the turntable as a scratch controller for digital files. Clever stuff. Another draw is the built-in album cover stand on the inside of the dust cover, letting you display what's spinning and reminding you what you have in the mix at a glance. Design-wise, the PLX500W is a nod to Pioneer's classic DJ decks, delivering both iconic looks and essential features for your set. The direct drive motor is an essential, offering improved torque and precise control for mixing and scratching compared to belt-driven decks. That's the list. But here's the secret, the cheapest one almost beat the top pick. Links for all 5 are waiting in description. Subscribe so you never buy the wrong gear again. Share this with a friend who's wasting money on bad turntables. Now go spin some vinyl.